Our game today against Celta Vigo should not be swept under the carpet. Yes, we should not say, "Oh, it's Celta Vigo. We are at home," and therefore, let us rest some players for the finals of the Copa del Rey. No, Celta Vigo, they are in the form of their life now. Yes, we don't have to misguide with this today's game. La Liga itself is every match now is a final because Madrid are not slowing down. Atlético de Madrid are even going on tougher. So we have to win them. We have to win them and win them very, very well. We don't have to rest anybody in today's game. Celta Vigo are dangerous. They have been our dangerous opponent right from time. So I think we should just Hansi should just set up his tactics very well and that defense line be more stronger. Let the attack, let them work very well so that we get something from the game.